Be brave today, my little hero.
Duty calls.
It's okay, we can go slow.
The school looked bigger than usual today.
Well, look who it is.
Where's your daddy now?
Smash it! Turn it into scrap metal, boys! No! Stop it! You're hurting him!
And then, the sky cried with him.
I want Dad. I want my dad.
Not on my watch!
A hero's job is never done. Target neutralized. Target neutralized. Safe. You rocked him, Super Cat. Static? Must be the magnetic field.
But the signal wasn't lost. It was ignored.
Logistics normal. Checking school zone.
What?
Code red. Get him now! Mom? Why are you screaming? He's freezing. He's
Kitten in the mud. Go!
Faster than fear itself.
I'm so cold. Dad? I knew you'd come. I knew you'd come.
And just like that, the nightmare was over. The storm had passed, but the healing was just beginning.
Son. Is he okay? Is he okay?
He's cold. He needs you.
Mama is here. You're safe.
Prepare the bath. Maximum warmth.
Wash the bad day away.
I can fight monsters, but I can't fix this.
Ugh, I'm useless here.
Step aside, big guy. This is my fight.
Fractured axle. Clogged intake. I can fix him better than before.
Shiny and new.
A special fuel for a special friend.
You're amazing, honey.
Uh-huh. Ka-chow? Huh.
But fixing the car was the easy part. Fixing the heart takes longer. Being brave doesn't mean you aren't scared.
Someone wants to say goodnight.
Queen! McQueen! You're fixed!
A new day brings new strength.
Lesson 1. The dodge.
Dodge. Duck. Dip. Dive.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
This will give you a little kick.
Right.
Good focus. Keep your paws up.
He was learning fast.
I'm proud of you, son.
But shadows are always longest at sunset.
How touching. The happy family.
He thinks a few push-ups will save him.
Be boss.
I can try again.
No games. Prepare the red beast.
Something big is coming.
I am ready. I am ready.
Let's roll.
Be smart. Be safe.
He actually came back? You got a death wish, shrimp.
I'm not fighting you, thanking you, Billy.
Bulldog.
Come here.
Huh?
Huh?
Where'd he go?
Can't catch me. Ka-chow.
Whoa! World spinning.
Did you see that moves?
You okay, Billy?
Get away from me! We did it, partner!
Enough! Release the beast!
What? Is that?
Next time, the Clash of Titans.